at Lambrate via Ventura, and it's an old warehouse which we have rebuilt to IKEA Festival. I'm Marcus Engman, and I work as head of design for IKEA. Everybody's doing exhibitions. We have done exhibitions before, but we thought that exhibition is not really relating to people, it's actually showing off. And IKEA is not that kind of company. We're not here to show off. We want to relate to people, we want to meet people and speak about our projects, and also to get reactions on the projects. The festival theme is a good way of doing that. Everybody knows going to a festival is about meeting and greeting with people, making new friends, and listen to some great music and have some good experiences. What we could see from our research, that music is an important part of people's homes, and sound is an important part too. The music could change the experiences dramatically. Well, I think it's the same way like light or smell. It's looking upon the home as something which caters for all of your senses. And of course there is a soundtrack to a room set, as it is a smell to a room set, and it's also something that people have a tendency to remember. So you remember sensoric experiences more than actually the things that you just see.